Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS for Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First we need to turn on our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the Amazfit logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now, find the language you'd like to use on your watch and tap on it to select it, for example, English. And once you select the language, you should see the QR code on the screen. This means we need to download and install the Zep application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon right here. Then tap on the search bar and type in Zep and tap on search. You should see this application on the list, Zep. Tap on it to select it and then tap on the Get button to download and install it. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. We can allow or deny some permissions like location. I'm gonna allow it, but you can deny it if you want. The Bluetooth one is required, so allow it. So tap on OK. And next we have the option to allow the app to track the activity across other companies, whatever that means. And you can allow it or deny it. I'm gonna tap on Ask Not to Track. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the login page. Now, you can log in into an account, or rather you need to. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Sign Up and make a new account, or you can use the third-party applications to log in, like Apple, Facebook, Google, and stuff like that. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. Okay. And once you're done entering the credentials, you can tap on Sign In to log in. After you log in, you'll be asked for more permissions. For example, this is the access to the motion and fitness activity. So if you want to track stuff like health, like training exercises and stuff like that, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And next we have the notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Then we can tap on OK right here and allow or deny some of the health permissions like heart rate and stuff like that. So basically you can allow the app to write the data for heart rate, read the data for heart rate. You have write and read categories basically, and you can enable or disable them by tapping on the switch according to your preferences. I'm just gonna tap on Turn on All and then tap on Allow, but you can deny them if you want to. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page of the application. Now tap on Profile, tap on Add Device, then tap on Watch, tap on Agree, OK, and the phone should open the camera app basically. What we need to do is to scan the QR code with our phone, so we need to put the camera on the watch and should scan the QR code. And once it's done scanning, it's gonna connect the devices. Now we can confirm the pairing by tapping on the check mark. Here we can synchronize data from the previous device. So for example, device settings, notifications and alerts, and data of the health, basically PAI data. Also, if you get this pop-up, you can tap on Pair right here. And again, you can allow or deny permission for the notifications. I'm gonna allow it. Okay, I'm not gonna synchronize anything, so I'm gonna basically uncheck the boxes, but if you want to synchronize something, you can check the box next to it to select it, and then you can tap on synchronize account information. I'm just gonna tap on set as new device, then tap on done, and at this point you should see the device page for your Amazfit GTS form menu. Also, if you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the welcome screen, and you can tap on checkmark to go through the tutorial how to use your watch. I'm just gonna tap on X to skip it. And as you can see now, we can use our watch like this. And that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.